As part of the winter festivities in the city, Meghalaya state government orchestrated the Shillong Literary Festival at Wards Lake from November 14th to 16th, 2023. The Tourism Department's Minister Paul Lyngdoh graced the inaugural function as chief guest. Distinguished attendees included Dr M Ampareen Lyngdoh, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, the Commissioner and Secretary of Tourism Department, Dr Vijay Kumar D, writers Navin, Kishore and Janice, Pariat, state government officials, along with authors, scholars and members of the literary society. In his address, Paul Lyngdoh praised the natural beauty of Meghalaya and assured efforts by the state government to generate job opportunities for the youth, envisioning their role in propelling the state forward across various domains.
My heart leaps up. My heart leaps up when I behold cherry blossoms across the hills. So was it when my life began. So is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The child is father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. For our guests who have come from outside the state, I've always maintained that yes, we do have a couple of five-star hotels, not very many, but then as you step out of your hotel rooms and look up to the sky, you will see not five, not seven, but hundreds of stars. And as a lot of people inquire whether your hotel has an AC, I would tell them that just step outside that room. The entire universe is one mega AC. 3 days back, I was traveling along with our department to take part in the World Trade Mart at London, and I took the opportunity to travel to Stonehenge, and it's a marvel to know that such priceless treasure of international dimension are as old as the Meghalayan age, which started 4,200 years back and ended in 1950. In fact, it's quite possible that our monoliths, our Maubana, are as old, if not older, than Stonehenge.